Up everyone, my name's Jono. I'm from Geelong and today is my 20th birthday. When I was a teenager, I wrote down a goal to have, let's say, a pretty audacious amount of money by the time I was 20. And due to coronavirus this year, I lost my jobs and I actually had to end up working at Woolies. Now, I was calculating how many hours I had to work over the weekend in order to obtain this goal, and let's just say it was never going to make it. However, I don't spend my Saturdays at Woolies anymore. Instead, I do something a little bit different. Now I spend it match betting. Now, trust me when I say this, match betting is legit if you take it seriously and you put in the work to learn all the content and everything there is to know about it. I've just made $12,500 over 3 months with the goal of making $20,000 profit by Christmas. Now, this is another audacious goal, but I believe I can do it because I've put in the work and I've learnt all the content there is to know. Now, these are skills I'll have with me for the rest of my life. It doesn't matter where I am in the world, whatever time it is, I'll always have match betting and I'll always have that knowledge in order to make money. Now, if you're like me and you want to chase your dreams and you want to have that financial freedom, I cannot recommend the Hussla squad enough. Like, these guys have taught me everything there is to know about hustling and about making money online. It's honestly changed my life. Like, there was some nights I would go to bed and I'm just giggling to myself because I've made like $400, $500, $600 on that day, and I'm just like, how good is this? Like, is it a joke? Like, surely there's a catch, but there's not.